Pranayama is a Sanskrit word derived from prana, meaning breath, and ayama, meaning extension or regulation, which confers its meaning as the regulation of the breath. Bhastrika, as with most pranayamas, is best practiced on an empty stomach. Choose a comfortable sitting position. Rest the hands on the knees, consciously opening the chest. Allow the spine to lengthen so that the back, neck, and head are erect. Gently close the eyes and breathe through the nose. You will be breathing through the nostrils throughout this practice. Bhastrika Pranayama strokes the inner fire of the mind and body, supporting proper digestion on all levels. It balances excess vata, pitta, and kapha. It burns the toxins, cleanses and rejuvenates the lungs, tones the muscles of the heart, infuses the blood with oxygen, kindles Agni, the digestive fire, and tones the digestive system as a whole. It cleanses the nasal passages, sinuses, and chest of excess mucus. It balances and strengthens the nervous system. Kapalbhati can be done either in Vajrasana or in the regular yogic posture with crossed legs and straight back. For those who suffer from back issues, the technique can be done by resting against the wall or even lying down straight on the floor or bed. While maintaining the posture, force your breath out in shorter intervals. Beginners can practice 20 to 30 breath pumps going up to 200. Those who suffer from lower back issues, high blood pressure, or headaches should perform the Kriya under supervision. Kapalbhati is one such asana which requires zero effort and gives great return. It is believed that regular practice of Kapalbhati brings a natural glow on your face. The breathing technique involves active exhalation and passive inhalation. During inhalation, the stomach sinks in, and vice versa during exhaling. This stomach movement is therefore beneficial for the muscles around it, including that of the liver and pancreas. The blood flow to these areas also increases. It aids digestion and removal of acidity and gas related problems. Regular practice of Kapalbhati is also beneficial for belly fat loss. The technique involves forceful breathing which strengthens lungs and increases its capacity. Anulom Vilom. Take your right hand and slowly place it on the right nostril while resting your left hand on the left knee. Anulom Vilom is a form of alternate nostril breathing. It is considered to be the best form of pranayama. Slowly take a deep breath from your left nostril and release it from your right nostril. Inhale from your right nostril, hold your breath and exhale from your left nostril. Ensure that the exhalation is slow and takes longer than the inhalation. Anulom Vilom Pranayama, when performed correctly for 5 to 6 minutes each day, has numerous health benefits other than aiding in mental peace. Practice of Anulom Vilom has a calming and relieving effect on the brain and thus helps in preventing depression. It helps to improve cognitive functioning and may help in preventing age-related memory loss. Anulom Vilom Pranayama helps to improve vision and eyesight by enhancing the blood flow to the eyes, preventing vision loss. The practice of Anulom Vilom during pregnancy helps in reducing the risk of maternal depression. In non-pregnant women, this technique helps to relieve PMS. Brahmari Pranayama is effective in instantly calming down the mind. It is one of the best breathing exercises to free the mind of agitation, frustration, or anxiety and get rid of anger to a great extent. A simple technique, it can be practiced anywhere. The exhalation in this pranayama resembles the typical humming sound of a bee, which explains why it is named so. It works on calming the nerves and soothes them, especially around the brain and forehead. The humming sound vibrations have a natural calming effect. How to do Brahmari Pranayama? Sit up straight in a quiet, well ventilated corner with your eyes closed. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Keep your index finger on your forehead and close your eyes with rest of the fingers and close your ears with the thumb. Observe the sensations in the body and the quietness within. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, make a loud humming sound like a bee. Udgit Pranayama. Sit in the Padmasana position and close your eyes. Your spine should be straight. Breathe deeply through your nose till diaphragm is full with air and exhale. While exhaling, chant the word Om. Make sure to keep the sound of O long and M short. Udgit Pranayama is very simple pranayama among all the pranayamas. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. It calms the mind and brings stability. It also relieves tension, anger, and anxiety. It is the excellent breathing exercise for meditation. It is effective against hypertension. It cures problems related to sleep like insomnia and bad dreams. It controls the high blood pressure and cures it. It cures the problems related to the nervous system, and it improves memory power. Om mantra helps in balancing the heart's rhythm. It also balances the blood pressure. Pranayama is a yogic form which has its roots within ancient India dating back to the 5th and 6th centuries BC, with its mention made in the Bhagavad Gita. Since then, pranayama has been spreading itself in the entire sphere, with India being a major center of practice.